What's happening? What's happening? Shout outs to all the beginner investors and traders. Right now, you're tuned in to Hood Money Investing. I wanted to show you this real quick because this right here could potentially scare people away from the stock market.
You was scared, huh? Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
It's understandable, but I want to take some time to let you know that one of the things that I'm learning in this game is that there are a lot of emotions when it comes to trading. And with the algorithm and people placing bets in and out of the market every day, it'll cause the stock market to fluctuate, jump up and down. And with this news that we just received about Trump, Mrs. and Mr. contracting COVID-19, it has the market going crazy. I'm literally down 749 of them things, 750. You see it jumping, you know what I mean? Like hotcakes. But I'm just going to be patient because I have some long calls. Now, I'm down on a couple puts that expire today. Nikola here, which this company, I don't know how it's still holding up. Looked like GM's about to pull out. Looked like they were trying to renegotiate the deal, maybe get a little bit more of the company, maybe 50%, 51%, based on all the allegations surrounding Nikola. But this for some odd apparent reason, this stock it dropped all the way to $16 and some change, and now all of a sudden it's back. It went up to like $25, I believe. No, it was up to 26 if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Let's check this out. It's just jumped back up. And this right here, I mean, in my opinion, is just a little bit of stock manipulation. Yes, it jumped up to 1630. Okay, because you're dealing with an algorithm, that's probably programmed not only around the fear that investors probably have, but it's also probably set up in a way where you are not going to get as much as you possibly could if, you pull out or go in at the right moment. Because I've seen times where, and maybe it's some of the platforms that you're on as well, or we are on as well, because I could say a stock's $5, I could see it go down to $4.98, and I'll try to buy in real quick and it'll say $5. It's like, okay, I see that you trying to get that 2 cents from me. And still, because it was on for $4.98, you know what I'm saying, for 2 minutes, you know what I'm saying? So you can tell that the algorithm is moving based on, trying to get as much money out of an investor as possible.
Winthrop, don't leave. We can explain.
Yeah. You'll be sorry.
And that's just my opinion. I'm not saying that's, really happening, but if you ask, a couple of stock investors, a couple traders, they'll say the same thing. As you can see, I'm down still. Now this Nikola looks like it's recovering a little bit. But I just wanted to take some time to show you what could possibly happen to the market when there is bad news. It looks like I'm bouncing back on this NEO as well. And not too much. I'm still down $77. But it probably has to recalibrate too, because sometimes it'll jump. I don't understand why. I mean, I have a bunch of. That's why you have use the different platforms as well, because sometimes the prices might not average or equal up. I'm down on this play here, $90 today. Yeah. See, but I got that play long, as you can see. I got that for another 2 weeks. So I'm not really stressing Vivian is a pretty good company, and it might blow up after the merger with Sunrun. So I'm waiting for that. GameStop, it crushed me. I'm down on a bunch of plays. Like I'm down $270. But I got these plays long, so I'm not really tripping. As you can see, November 20th to 6th, the 16th and 9th. So it could possibly recover, so I'm not tripping. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to show you fellow beginner traders and investors, that might be afraid based on the fluctuation of the market, but it's going to happen. You're not going to have a bunch of perfect days. I had about 3 or 4 good days last week, and had about 2 bad days, which it could possibly recover. So just wanted to show you that and see what you think. Don't be afraid. Do your research. Keep doing your homework, and let's see where we're at. Next week on Monday. This is Hood Money Investing. Please share if you feel as if this information is helpful. Don't be scared to share, you know what I mean? And don't be scared to subscribe, because we're going to do this together if we can. Please, let's brainstorm past strategies, and hopefully we can help each other reach financial freedom. Like I said, this is Hood Money Investing, and I'm out of here.
They out there panicking right now. I can feel it. They out there. They're panicking. Look at them.
Now, you're not naive enough to think we're living in a democracy, are you, buddy? It's the free market. And you're part of it.
Something just came across my desk, John. It is perhaps the best thing I've seen in the last 6 months. If you have 60 seconds, I'd like to share the idea with you. You got a minute?
After everything we've done for you.
Oh, see, I made Lewis a bet here. Lewis bet me that we couldn't both get rich and put you all in the poorhouse at the same time. He didn't think we could do it. I won.
I lost. $1.
Thank you, Lewis.
After you.
Certainly.